How to remove third-party app access on any Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can remove your third-party app access on any Android. So if you are using Samsung just like me, simply head over to your settings and scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. As you can see here, simply click on it, and on Samsung devices you don't get the third-party option. So what you can do is simply scroll down until you see any third-party application all by yourself. For example, let's say this insert. So what I want to do is simply click on it and head over to its permission and make sure you disallow everything from over here, and which will automatically remove your third-party access on your device. So that is how you can do it on your device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.